Yo, welcome back everybody. In the previous video, we talked about sorting an array, but this video, I wanted to talk about some other methods that are available to us that'll make our lives easier when working with arrays. But first thing, you gotta know what's really gonna make your life a whole lot easier, and that is our sponsor. Monday.com is your visual project management solution. This is the tool that allows you to see where every task or project stands with a single glance. With a fully customizable interface, you can create the exact workflow that you need for you and your team to get stuff done. Monday.com is available on mobile and integrates well with some of the most popular tools out there, so get your life in order by giving it a try for free. Link in the description. Alright, so to see some of these other methods, what you can do is you can say array dot, and then you can look through here. So you can see there's lots of different options for us, and there's no way I'm going to go through all of these because I just don't want to. But look at some of the key ones here. Index of, you can use that to find a particular element, so if you need to search an array, well, this would be real easy. Just go in here, plop in the little thing you're looking for, such as, we'll go with 23. We'll write this out to the console. I don't know why it's being stupid. We're also going to need to pass in the array here, which is why I was complaining. It's kind of important. So we gotta say where we're searching for this value. Console write line, just to give some extra space there, and let's see what we get. You can see the output is 2, which gives us index 0, 1, 2. So that is the first method if you're just looking for some good methods to use. Let's talk about the next one now. We'll just keep it in here just so we don't have to console write line anything else. We can reverse an array, which is nice, especially if you want to sort an array and then actually put it in descending order versus ascending order. You could just reverse it, which would be cool. This is actually void, so it actually doesn't even need to be inside of the console.write line, so I'm gonna have to delete that anyways. And then we just pass in grades. And this is actually not going to affect anything because we're just gonna sort it down here, so it's gonna lose that reverseness anyways. So we could actually take this and put it after the sort to get it in descending order. So .NET run this bad boy, what do we get? You can see we get from largest to least. So that's how you can do that. Now let's talk about comparing arrays. Let's go in here, we'll create a new array. Let's say we have grades 1 and then we have grades 2. And this is going to be equal to the same exact thing. Now we got all these errors in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of all this information. Like I said, my strategy is if there's errors, just delete it. I'm a terrible programmer. So we'll just check to see if these are equal. We'll put it in an if statement, grades 1 being equal to grades 2. And we'll just say equal. Let's run, see what we get. And we get nothing, which is exactly what I was expecting. So the actual proper way to compare two arrays by values here to see if they have the same values is, well, we're going to replace this and we'll say enumerable, just trust me here for a second, dot sequence equal. And you're going to hover over enumerable or click this error thing over here and say using system.link. Inside this method call, we're going to put the two arrays. So we'll say grades 1, grades 2. All right, I think this is the proper way. So now it should compare the values inside the array. .NET run, yeet. You can see they are equal. So those are some basics. You can get into more of this link stuff if you're interested, but that's all I'm gonna talk about for this video. But basically when you use the equals operator to see if they're equal, you're actually comparing the object references to see if they are the same exact entity and not necessarily if they have the same values. So if instead you did this, grades 2 equals grades 1, now grades 1 equals grades 2 should be true. And you can see they are. That's because they're pointing to the same exact object. All right, but that's enough blabbering. Hopefully that gives you some basic methods you can start working with inside of C# for arrays. Thank you, be sure to sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video.